Hi guys, welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. My name is Vidhi and today I'm going to show you a super unique recipe called Mexican Bhel. Here we are going to make our own tortilla chips, deep fry them and mix it with beans, corn, capsicum and a raw uncooked salsa. So let's get making it. To make the Mexican Bhel, we first have to start with the salsa. For that, I'm going to take some finely chopped tomatoes, onions, green chilies, coriander, some finely chopped garlic, dried basil, tomato ketchup for a really nice sweetness, lemon juice and salt to taste. We'll mix it really well while slowly mashing with the back of our spoon. This uncooked salsa gives a really nice flavor to the bhel and you just have to keep it aside for a while for the flavors to blend in together. So our salsa is ready. Let's move on to making the tortillas. Now we'll start making the tortillas. For this we'll take whole wheat flour, some plain flour, just enough salt to taste and add some water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. As you can see, the dough is ready and it's soft. We'll just quickly divide it into 5 portions. Now we'll start rolling it. We'll take 1 portion of the ready dough, sprinkle some flour, press it and roll it into a 7-inch diameter circle. We've rolled our dough out into a 7-inch diameter circle. We have to cook the tortilla till they're only half done and we'll cook it on a high flame. Our tawa is hot, we're just going to put it over. We only have to do this for a few seconds. Our tortillas are half done. As you can see, it's got little brown spots on it. Now we'll just remove it. Now we have to cut the tortillas into diamond shapes. You can even make this recipe with leftover rotis. It's really easy and everybody will love it. So we've cut the tortilla into diamond shapes. This is how they're supposed to look. We'll repeat the same with the remaining portions. Our last tortilla is also cut and ready. We'll put them on the plate with this. And now we'll heat up some oil to deep fry them. The oil is nice and hot. Now quickly deep fry some. You do it few at a time so that they don't burn. Move them around a little bit in between so that they're evenly browned from all sides. Our tortilla chips have cooked evenly and browned from all sides. We'll remove them and fry the remaining. While these are getting fried, I just want to show you how crispy these are. I don't know if you can hear the snap, it's amazing. Our tortilla chips are ready. Now all that is remaining is putting the bhel together. So for that, here is the salsa that we made previously. Put it in a deep bowl. Add some boiled sweet corn kernel. Some finely chopped colorful capsicum. This provides a really nice vibrant color to the whole bhel. Some rajma. This is soaked and boiled previously. I mean, what's Mexican food without some boiled rajma? Cheese. And some salt. And we'll mix it well. I can already smell the salsa. It's so yum. The reason for mixing this beforehand is so that the tortilla chips do not become soggy. So I'll just add them before serving. Now I'll add the tortilla chips. We're going to use 2 spoons for this so that they mix really well and they don't break. Tossing is basically just lifting and dropping so that everything mixes and combines really well. Here, our bhel is ready. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of save. This is a completely Indo-fusion recipe. I'm sure you've noticed that. Our bhel is now ready. You can make this with leftover rotis at home and deep fry them quickly, and that's why we've not added any maize flour in our tortillas. Or if you have leftover tortillas at home, you can use that. Make sure to try this recipe at home and let us know your feedback. Till then, goodbye from Vidhi.
For more recipes, log on to tarladalal.com. To get new recipe updates daily, follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook. Also press the bell icon on YouTube to never miss an update from Tarla Dalal's kitchen.